If you've been keeping up with the news lately, you may have seen headlines about an increase in foreclosures. Here's what you really need to understand. This graph shows the number of foreclosure filings in the first 6 months of each year. What I really want you to notice is even with the slight increase this year, today's numbers are still lower than most years in the graph. The only exceptions are 2020 through 2022. That's because the forbearance program provided relief for homeowners and helped them stay in their homes during the pandemic. With the moratorium now over, we're seeing an expected rise in foreclosures. But we're still below what we'd see in more normal years and really far off of what the market saw back in the housing crash in 2008. Despite what the media wants you to believe, foreclosures are not going to flood the market. Today, more homeowners actually have enough equity to sell and avoid foreclosure. Have questions? Let's connect.